In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personalize your emoji lock screen. This feature works on iOS 16 and later. So first, lock your device and then tap on the screen to wake it up. Then you can hold down somewhere on the lock screen to bring up that edit mode where you can easily switch between your lock screens, and also you can hit on plus sign to add new lock screen. From here you can scroll down until you find emoji category, and there you can go through all that lock screens, and there of course you can select any off screen that you want, but also you can add your own emoji lock screen. In order to do that, just hit right here where it says emoji, and now here you can choose up to 6 emojis to create your own wallpaper in that simple way. And here, once I've added an emoji, in real time I can see there the result. And once I'm satisfied with that, I can close emoji selector, and here I can swipe left to change the order of that images. For example, I like that one, and also in any time I can go here and, for example, add or remove some emojis from here in that simple way. And also I can tap on 3 dots icon, hit background, and there I can change background color. I can change the color, its transparency, and also I can hit on that icon to select the color that I want in different ways. When I finish, I can just hit on add to add this wallpaper to my home and lock screens. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.